Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and today is day 2 of YouTuber. Today I wanted to share with you some of my little journaling doodles that I do. First, this started out as just a daily drawing, just a daily doodle, and that helps me fulfill my creative side, and it also gives me a chance to just tap into that creative spirit and to that artist within me. And I get a chance to do this every single day by making this a daily draw or a daily doodle. And I've done this twice so far for an entire month, and I am now on my 3rd month with October. So what I wanted to do today is show you my first daily draw, which was August, and then show you September and show you what I have started for October. So this was the inspiration. This was my August daily draw. As you can see, I drew a tarot card for every single day, and what I did was I just drew the card from the deck, and then I recreated it as a miniature in my journal. And I really enjoyed doing this because it gave me a chance to look at the beautiful artwork on my tarot cards. Also gave me a chance to learn a little bit more about the tarot cards because I don't know that much. I'm more of a intuitive person when it comes to tarot cards, and I'm also one of those people who just loves to look at tarot cards because they're just completely beautiful, and I love looking at them and just seeing them as little pieces of art. For September, I took a break from the tarot daily draws and I did a daily doodle. Here is my September daily draw. I definitely missed some days. Towards the end of September, it was a little rough to get time in for my creative side and just time to draw because the month was winding down, and then a lot of things just popped up in my life that were stressful and I didn't have time, and I also some days just didn't want to take the time to draw because I felt like I couldn't draw. So I really enjoyed the process of actually sitting down and drawing when I did. And now I'm into a new journal for October, and I've already started my daily draws. I'm doing both daily doodles and daily tarot draws this month. And for my daily doodles for October, I've already got 3 done. I've got a little leaf, a fox, and today I drew a little coffee cup. And I like to share these with you guys over on Instagram. And then here is my October daily tarot draw spread. This is going to be the exact same thing as August. I'm going to draw a tarot card and then recreate it as a miniature here. I like to use watercolors and pens for this, so I use ink pens like the Prisma pens or any other type of art pen, but I've also seen some really pretty recreations of tarot cards with just like ballpoint pens on Instagram. So don't feel like you can't do this if you don't have the right tools. And you can even do this with just like markers and colored pencils. I've definitely done that before in the past and they turn out gorgeous. So that is what I have for you today for day number 2 of YouTober. If you want to see more of my miniatures and maybe a draw with me, let me know for sure in the comments down below. I like to share these miniatures over on Instagram. That's actually where I am most. So if you want to talk with me and see how I'm doing, what I'm up to, make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Owls and Indigo. And head over to the website, owlsandigo.com. That's where I share weekly spirituality tips, writing and journaling prompts, little tidbits about the moon and how to move through the lunar phases with your goal setting, mental health and awareness, some DIYs, definitely gonna have a lot of fall DIYs coming up, some little incense recipes, some self-care recipes, and all sorts of little fun tidbits that are gonna make you a happy and healthier human. I'm really excited to share all these with you, and I'm excited to open up more this month and to let you see into my world a little bit more and to get to know you better. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.